Hello customers, this is Jimmy over here at Falcon. I wanted to thank you for watching this video today. I'm going to be talking about one of our most popular products, our Eagle Eye 3-cam dash cam system. This system allows you to install one front-facing camera and two waterproof, weatherproof cameras anywhere you want to record a total of 3 viewpoints. So what my goal today is just to give you kind of an overview of the product so you can learn a little bit about how this may or may not be the right product for your needs or your fleet. Kind of go through the ordering process and so you can understand how you can place the order on the website and more. So let me take a couple of minutes of your time today. So this product is our Eagle Eye. I'm going to kind of show you some of the products today. It's our Eagle Eye 3-cam dash cam that you see pictured here. This includes one front-facing main camera with the windshield suction cup mount. So this suction cup mount will mount on windshield, and you'll have a front-facing camera that's going to record out the front of your windshield, and on the back of the camera you'll have a 4-inch screen that allows you to view this camera, go through the menu and all the settings, and so much more. So this is the main unit. Everything plugs into this. This includes a cigarette lighter adapter that allows you to plug this in very easily into a DC cigarette lighter adapter, the main camera windshield mount, and you're going to get two weatherproof, waterproof 720p cams that you can mount exteriorly. It has a very long cable. It's about a 20-foot cable that allows you to mount this camera anywhere you want. Most of our customers are going to mount this on the sides of their vehicle facing backwards, so you can record what happens down both sides of your truck, your vehicle, SUV, whatever type of equipment or vehicle you're putting on. You can mount these facing backwards, weatherproof, waterproof, long cables. And this particular camera will plug in to the main unit, as you see here, and you're going to end up having two different cameras plugged in, one in this input that you see here and one in the other input that you see there, so you can have up to two cameras. This camera does have an optional fourth camera as well. See pictured here, another very long cable. This cable's about 35-40 feet in length, and you can have a fourth camera. So if you wanted to mount a fourth camera anywhere else on your vehicle, you can do that and add that optional accessory through purchase. Now, a couple of features on this particular system, and I'm at the website that you see here. This is going to be under dash cams, triple cams, and then you click on the Eagle Eye 3 camera. Just showed you about these particular units, but some of the features I want to talk about is this system allows you to record up to 3, or at least 3, but up to 4 viewpoints, and all of the videos are going to be recorded simultaneously on the SD cards on the unit, and I'll talk about that in a second. So this allows you to capture 3 viewpoints. You got one front-facing camera, and you have 2 waterproof, weatherproof cameras that you can mount, and this has a 19-foot cable that I showed you earlier, and then you can add an optional 4th camera during the checkout process. I'll talk about that, or you can click here and you can kind of learn more about this. This has a 4-inch LCD screen, and you're going to use that LCD screen to view the cameras, play back videos at the scene of an accident, or to play them back when you're parked or pulled over. You also can go into the menu and change the date and time and change all the settings that are incorporated with this unit. That's what that screen is going to use. This has a 12-volt DC plug that plugs right into the cigarette lighter adapter, which will power the unit. With the 4-inch screen, you're going to be able to show police officers at the scene exactly what happened to hopefully exonerate you in case you're in an accident, and you're going to be able to prove what happens from up to 3 to 4 viewpoints. Kind of go through some of the options. You see this has a retail price of $399. We have it on sale for $339. That's with 3 cameras, no additional accessories. Now I'm going to go through how you would order it and what the accessories entail. So we have memory. In order for all videos to be recorded, it has to be recorded to memory. And the memory that this uses is micro SD cards, class 10, ultra high speed or above. You can provide your own memory cards, or you can purchase it from us here during the checkout process. So if you do not want to include any memory, or you're going to provide your own, you already have it, you can click here for no memory. If you want to add a 32, 64, 128 gig card, you want to click and add these here, and you'll see the price changes. Right up here, you'll see when it goes 32 gig, 64, and you'll see the price is changing. The differences on the memory is a 32 gig card is going to store about 6 hours and then loop record. A 64 gig card is going to store about 12 hours, and a 128 gig card will store about 24 hours. And then it's going to loop record, deleting old video with new video continuously and forever. So once the memory's full, it just loops back over and continues to record over and over and over again. This particular unit has a dual SD card slot. You got SD card slot. One is on the top of the unit that you see here, and this is going to record the front facing and the optional fourth camera. If you get a fourth camera, this SD card in this slot will record that. And then the SD card slot on the bottom is going to record the 2 side cameras. So it does require 2 SD cards. When you purchase them from us, we're including 2 32 gig cards, 2 64 gig cards, or 2 128 gig cards. These cards are included in the warranty, so it is not a bad idea to get those cards from us. You have the optional fourth camera. So let's say you wanted to get a 32 gig or 2 32 gig cards, because that's what we're include. You can either go without fourth camera and click no fourth camera, or you can click here for the optional fourth camera. You'll see the price change as you add that for that fourth camera. The 12 volt hardwire kit. So most customers are going to use the cigarette lighter adapter that I showed you earlier. That's included with the unit, but some customers are going to want to go behind the dash, tap into their fuse box, tap into their battery, tap into a 12 volt hardwire power. So this is what this is a 12 volt hardwire cable, plugs right into the top of the dash cam that you see pictured here. And then you have a hardwire cable that you're going to go behind the dash, and you're going to tap the red into positive, black into negative. So if you want this to go into a constant 12 volt power source, which means it's on all of the time, you could go directly to the battery or a battery source. And a lot of people use this hardwire kit for 2 reasons. They want to free up the cigarette lighter adapter, and they want to ensure that their driver doesn't accidentally or on purpose unplug it, so it's powered to a hardwire kit rather than the cigarette lighter adapter. So if you want this or you don't want this, you'll see it's about $15 or so for that hardwire kit. 1-year warranty is included with the unit, so that includes manufacturer defect. If you have any manufacturer defect for 1 year, we'll replace it or get that fixed for you. You can add a 2 or 3 year replacement warranty. I always recommend 3 because it's only like 10% more to add that 3rd year. This warranty covers anything and everything. You could literally run it over with a lawnmower and get a brand new unit. No deductible. The only thing it doesn't cost is lost or theft. So this you might decide a 1-year warranty is sufficient, or for probably about $45, you can add a 3-year warranty, and you can add that in there. Again, that covers anything and everything for 3 years. And the last option is magnetic signs. We have 4-inch by 5-inch signs that can slap on any metal on your truck or vehicle, and basically says security notice, smile, you're being recorded. So if you want to tell potential vandals and criminals or people that you have a camera system, you can add these magnets. They're about $4 each, but it's definitely something that you don't have to do. So once you get the configuration you want with the amount of memory you want, if you want the 4th camera, if you want the hardwire kit, what warranty you want, and if you want magnet signs or not, you just hit add to cart. And when you add it to cart, you're just going to come over here and you'll see it's added to your cart, and you hit the checkout feature, and you can view your cart, hit checkout. We offer on our website, you can pay via PayPal, credit card. You can apply for financing. We have financing that can give you 4 payments over 6 weeks, and there's no interest, no fees, no credit. Or you can apply for financing to get 12 or 24 months and pay it off over time. You can all do that during the checkout process. Make sure you look at the top of the website. We have a sale going on right now. It's a winter sale. Depending upon when you're looking at this video, this sale could be, it's probably going to be different. We could have various sales. Usually our sales range anywhere from $8 to 12% off, depending upon the time of year. But at the top of the website, we have sales that you can click on, and when you're checking out, you're just going to enter this promo code that's listed here. Right now it's 22 off 12. It'll be different probably when you're looking at this video to add that promo code to get whatever discount we're offering at that particular time, which is right now 12% off and free shipping. Couple of other features that I wanted to make sure you're aware of on this product page. If you want to look at any type of our videos, we have all kinds of videos that you can watch that could be beneficial. Here's all the specifications. Here's what is included with the unit, so you can kind of see all the things that's included is offered here. Our extra tab, this gives you all the quick start guides and manuals and instructional videos. And we have all of our reviews that you see here. You say this one's got 226 reviews, so you can take a look at all our reviews. If you ever have any questions, want to order it online, you can always call us, email us. Our information's at the top of the website, or you can look down in the bottom, scroll all to the bottom, and you got to contact us. Here's all our information here. So that is it for the Eagle Eye 3 Cam, one of the most popular products. If you're looking for a simple, easy to use system that allows you to record 3 or more viewpoints, you can get it installed in less than an hour. And you kind of on a budget, this system is going to be the perfect system for you. Thanks for watching. Please call us, contact us if you have any other questions. Thanks.